It has been found that saffron helps reduce melanin formation, because of which it is such a popular addition to skincare products.
This is What's Your Problem featuring Vasudha Rai.
Welcome back to Be Beautiful for a brand new episode of What's Your Problem? My name is Vasudha Rai and I'm breaking down your most asked beauty and wellness questions with simple, holistic and effective remedies. Today, we are talking about everyone's favorite subject, which is your skin. Now, the beauty world is divided into two sides. One side likes DIYs and natural, and the other side loves skincare and cosmetics. But I am here to tell you that you don't need to choose one or the other. We live in such a wonderful time where we are seeing amazing scientific advancements, while at the same time, traditional recipes and remedies are also being revived. So you don't need to choose one or the other when you can have the best of both worlds. The only thing is, make your choices intelligently. And this means no nimbu or papita on skin that is using acids or retinoids, and no malai on extremely oily skin. But before I start talking about DIYs, I just quickly want to tell you a little bit about these ingredients, starting with my all-time favorite, kasturi manjan. This is basically wild turmeric, which is a form of turmeric that is applied and not consumed. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects help control acne, whereas its strong antioxidant profile helps brighten your complexion. So you take about 1 tablespoon of yellow kasturi manjan with a tablespoon of red or white sandalwood. If you have oily skin, then you mix this with some thick raw honey for its enzymes and antibacterial effects. Add a little bit of rose water to soothe and to sort of thin out the mixture so that it applies smoothly on your face. Mix well and apply it all over your face and neck for about 20 minutes. One thing you need to be careful about, especially if you're using acids and retinoids, is that when you wash off this mask, just wash it off gently. Don't use any sort of force. Don't try to scrub it off because it will irritate your skin. Now, if you want to glow like a 1000-watt bulb, try this recipe. In this, you take a pinchful of saffron threads and add a tiny bit of milk to it. Make sure you mix the saffron into it till it releases its color. To this, add a little bit of raw honey. This will be sort of a runny sort of texture, and you have to apply it all over your face and neck, rub it in well, and then leave it on for about 20 minutes. After that, you wipe it off with a hot, wet towel, and what you will find is that your skin will glow and you're party ready like never before. If you have oily skin, however, you can replace the milk with a spritz of rose water, because like I said earlier, don't use any lipids on skin that already has so much of sebum. Another recipe that has been loved by our nannies and dadis is Masoor Dal used as an Ubtan on the face. For this, you need to soak a little bit of Masoor Dal overnight. You can soak it in water if you have oily skin, or you can soak it in milk if you have dry skin. In the morning, add a little bit of saffron or any other herb of your choice, maybe a little bit of sandalwood or a little bit of kasturi manjan, maybe even a pinch of normal haldi, and grind it all together. Then you apply this paste on your face and neck until it is semi-dry. Don't let it dry out completely, and then slowly rub it off till it candles away. This is great for people who don't use acids and retinoids and who like to keep it simple, because just this recipe used 2 or 3 times a week gives you that clear, luminescent complexion of your dreams. Before I sign off, I do want to mention sunscreen, which is an essential part of everybody's skincare, whether you like it natural or you love your cosmetics. In recent times, I have tried the Novology tinted sunscreen, which is something that I absolutely love. It's easy to blend, sits extremely light on your skin. It contains ingredients such as niacinamide, which prevents melanin transfer, and of course, it has SPF 50 PA++++. The whole formulation provides up to 98% protection from UVB rays and up to 16 times more protection from UVA rays. So that's all for me, you guys. You have your DIYs, you have your creams and serums, and it's all wrapped up with a great sunscreen. If you know someone who loves skincare, don't forget to share this video with them. And of course, subscribe to Be Beautiful for all things beauty and wellness.